From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. The abortion debate took center stage in the House of Delegates today as Republicans chose to highlight a Democratic bill that would loosen restrictions on late-term abortions that would, quote, impair the mental or physical health of the woman. A video of freshman Democratic delegate Kathy Tran stumbling to explain her bill has gone viral with millions of views since it was posted Monday. On the tape, Tran said her legislation would allow abortions up to 40 weeks and did not provide further explanation. Her bill was killed after her presentation. Republicans say the issue shows that Democrats' true agenda is abortion on demand.
As long as I have the privilege of this floor, I promise to fight for the promise of life. Thank you.
Democrats say the video mischaracterized the legislation.
What the video showed about a specific bill, deliberately misleading, and clearly was part of an orchestrated ambush.
House Republicans are sure to make their opposition to abortion a key issue in the fall campaign as they work to defend their narrow 51-49 majority. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.